3, 2, 1, start. Mr. Chakraborty further submits that considering the ratio of the judgment delivered in ML Kesri within bracket Supra, the Honorable Division Bench of this court in Govindo Chandra Mondol within bracket Supra has inter alia observed that candidates engaged on temporary basis against substantive post should be allowed to complete in the selection process along with other eligible candidate at the time of regular recruitment process condoning the age. Stop para. Mr. Pal, learned advocate appearing for the state respondents placing reliance upon the affidavit in opposition, submits that there was is no vacancy for Group D post in the said school and that the petitioner was selected by the school authorities without undergoing the process of open competitive selection. Stop para. In support of his arguments, Mr. Pal has placed reliance upon the judgment delivered in the case of Secretary State of Karnataka and others versus Umadevi and others reported in AIR 2006 SC 1806. Stop para. I have heard the submissions made by the learned advocates appearing for the respective parties and I have considered the materials on record. Stop para. The defense of the state authorities is twofold as follows: para A. There was no vacancy within the sanctioned strength of non-teaching staff in the said school and that as such the petitioner's appointment was not against a sanctioned post and mere continuance of the petitioner in the said post does not confer any right upon the petitioner to seek approval of such appointment. Stop para. B. The petitioner was appointed by the school authorities without undergoing the process of open competitive selection. Stop para. The documents annexed to the supplementary affidavit and affidavit in opposition clearly reveal that initially the said school had two Group D posts and in the same one Sri Siddhar Das was appointed and approved with effect from 1st April 1976 and in the other Srimati Gita Bhattacharya was appointed and approved with effect from 1st January 1978. Stop. Sri Abhimanyu Das was appointed in the third post of Group D staff which was sanctioned in favor of the said school with effect from 1st April 1980. Stop. It is evident from the memorandum dated 31/10/2011 that the vacancy in Group D post which occasioned due to retirement of Sri Siddhar Das is yet to be filled. Stop. Furthermore, no material has been produced before this court by the respondents to show that the said vacancy has been filled up through a regular recruitment process. Stop para. In the conspectus of the said facts, it is clear that the post held by the petitioner's father was a sanctioned post and a vacancy in the same occasion with the retirement of the petitioner's father on and from 31st December 1999 and the petitioner was appointed in the said post by the school authorities with effect from 2nd January 2000 as it was impossible to run the said girls school without a Group D staff. Stop para. Clauses 1 and 2 of Sub-Rule 1 of Rule 28 of the Rules for Management of Recognized Non-Government Institution within bracket aided and unaided bracket close 1969, within bracket hereinafter referred to as the Management Rules bracket close were substituted with a notification dated 22nd October 1997 published in the Calcutta Gazette Extraordinary dated 1st November 1997. Stop para. Clause 2 of Sub-Rule 1 of Rule 28 as operative on the date of the petitioner's appointment on 2nd January 2000 was as follows: para. Within decode 2. To appoint non-teaching employees on permanent or temporary basis against permanent or temporary vacancies if and when available within the sanctioned strength of non-teaching employees and on approval by the director or any officer authorized by him, such approval being sought for within a fortnight from the date of decision of the committee in this behalf. Stop decode para. The word sanctioned post stands defined under Rule 2 within bracket double F of the management rules which runs as follows: para decode within quote double F. Sanctioned post means the post of teaching or non-teaching staff sanctioned by the director or by an officer authorized by him in this behalf. Stop decode.